raft. And now, please wait a moment. Wait a while. Go back to go here to queue up to take the raft. And now you can see on your right hand side, there's some people on the raft. Oh, okay. And now you can see this is the mother elephant and the baby elephant. Oh, you see the mother elephant is teaching the baby elephant how to use the raft. You see, it's got many wrinkles. It was a long time. If you don't want to get any wrinkles, please don't wash your body. Can you see? Apple. And you can see on the left hand side, there's a big spider. Be careful, be careful. They can jump about 20 feet. They can easy to jump on your head. Oh, you see on the side and the other ones. Oh, so big. After that, you can see the golden elephant guard. They have 2 ginkgo bags to protect him. Oh, be careful, they have poisonous. If you don't want to get on my boat, please don't move, okay? If you move, they will come on my boat and bite us. That's so good, nobody moves. Okay. And now we go to the courtiers and kindness. And everybody, don't head off my boat. You see, they're very hungry now. If you head out, it may bite you. Oh, you see, they play the guns. Everybody look out. You want to shoot the gunfire guns. Wow. Oh, it's very dangerous. You see, you want to sink our boat. Oh, please don't attack my boat. I don't know how to swim. I don't want to sleep. And now ask a question. Do you know how to differentiate between a male zebras and a female zebras? No? Oh, look. The left hand side, the big one. The black with white wine, the male zebras. And this one, the small one. The white with best wine, the female zebras. Yeah, you see the difference. Okay, and now we'll go to the hippo pool. Oh, you see, the hippo has about 6,000 points heavy. Whoa, hold on. They can easy to sink our boat. Oh, it's so big. Whoa, what happened? Wow, the big mouth. Wow. Oh, you see on the side of the other one. And you see they forget brush their teeth. It's very dirty. You feel scared, please don't jump out of my boat. If you jump out, you will play with them and get the rhino attack on the tree. Oh, you see they're so happy, yeah? Let's have the praise. Wow, you see the skull is very small, so I think they especially like children. You see, is something hiding over there? Oh, please don't attack it. Oh, you see on the side, the two people attack us. Wow, so dangerous. Anybody get hurt? Huh? Oh, that's good. Okay. See the bad water. What happened? I think we need to change the road. Wow. Oh. So exciting. Now we go to the canyon of God, you see? Oh, the water blocked our road. We can't move now. You see, this is the fire god and the water god. What happened? Oh, you see, father's on fire. Wow! Okay, we're trying to burn it. I think it's very angry now. The fire's on the wall.